ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have got it. Recently, I don't know if you know, but if you've seen my Rivals videos, you noticed I have a lot of keys, and I haven't been spending any of those keys. And then you notice that now in this video I have no keys. What did I spend my keys on? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time you find out. I'm not a pay-to-win player. I just spent way too long grinding for energy pistols. Ooh, that's actually kind of clean right there. I mean, get that. Anyways, for these energy pistols, way too long. That's how long I've been grinding. I don't know if you can see how long I've been doing this, but a very long time. Okay, that's all I gotta say. Very long time. Anyone want to fight me? No. Okay. A very long time is what, well, pretty much basic is what I've been grinding for. These bad boys are what I've been grinding for. I have no kill animations for them. That's proof that I just got them. And I did not get them out of the energy pack. I did not get them out of the energy pack. Because I do not have the energy rifle or anything. I don't know if you can separately collect the energy rifle with the energy pistol, or you could do that. Also, watch my screen block. Or anything like that. I don't know if you can do that, but I know that I did not do that. I almost wish I did do that, because then I wouldn't be spending so long trying to get an energy pistol. Like, good golly, this took forever. Why is the screen black? Okay, I'm lagging out. Just good. Why is Rivals doing this to me? Anyways, yeah, I don't know why energy pistols and like all this pay-to-win stuff has to be so expensive, man. Like, I get it, you're trying to make a living, but like, and I am a free-to-play player that just wants to have. Oh snap! What? Why don't you want to fight me, dude? I'm literally like your level. So, oh wow. Alright. Let's test out these energy pistols. You ready, guys? You ready? Sniper, energy pistols, and bullhorn. That's what we're rocking with. You ready, guys? I'm gonna jump up, bullhorn, energy pistol them. That's the plan. Okay, missed my first jump. Of course I did. No way I die to a gunblade. How do I die to a gunblade? Also, I'm really bad at the energy pistol. I didn't even do half of his health. What? Dude, that's... Oh, he got the med kit. Okay. I don't think that was the reason why he's surviving my attacks. Man, I just suck with the energy pistols. Do you guys think I should use my primary, or do you think I should use my energy pistol? Ow! Dude. Ow! Okay. Yeah, I'm just really not... Okay. I need some practice, but it's okay. Ow! That... He, like, leaps forwards at me. I don't get it. Like, it's just really hard to avoid that kind of attack. I do not think you should take this. I'm not taking that. I don't think... I'm not... Oh, yeah. I'll team up. I'll take an underdog fight, you know? Okay, if you don't want to do that. So the plant is. Oh, now you want to find me? 175. Okay. Okay. As long as you don't have that axe thing that spins and dashes and murders me brutally, because I'm bad. The energy pistols. Personally, I have some decent at this game. Oh, are you a knife player? That's okay. I got a nice good speed build. Okay, well, my speed build was not quite speedy enough, apparently. Ah, finally! I took somebody out with the energy pistols. They only almost smoked me with a knife. They took a knife to a ray gun fight, and I still almost lost. Okay, yeah, I'm dipping out of here. Okay, yeah. Why am I so bad at this game? Don't ask me questions I don't know. Okay. Why can't I jump? Okay. Why are you so good at this game? Ah, dude. Maybe I should. Nah, I'm not gonna try to get the knife. We're not gonna get the knife. Uh-huh. Okay, your mobility is either really bad. Okay, I fell. It's pretty bad for me. Dude! Okay, that was some bulldog. There's no way you hit me. Man, the knife is some cheese. I could use the sniper and probably just take you out right now. You know, doing some nice quality damage. You know. What's the fun in that though? Because when you could just get your butt kicked by someone using a knife when you have pay to win energy pistols, even though you didn't pay to win, you just grind it out for them. I mean, this guy have friends. Okay, bye. Okay, so like, I just gotta keep this thing on them for a good while, because it really shreds. Does it have any headshot damage, or like, no? I feel bad for this kid, because now, he's only level 85. I mean, he should have the sniper, like, if he grinded for it, he should have the sniper by now. So, oh my, did I just, okay, I'm bad. Because I just clicked on the whatever, when I should have clicked on the bullhorns. Oh, great, you're one of those. Love to use the riot shield. Ow! How are you hitting me? Now I'm gonna have to swap out my energy pistols to combat your riot shield, which I'm literally trying to get good at. Like, come on, man, why do you do this to me? Why do you? Oh, guys, he outdanced. You know what I do? Okay, I did. You know what I do to people who outdance on me? That. There we go. What are you doing, man? Dude, I hate the ice thing. Does he have the... Oh, he has the permafrost. That's what you have, isn't it? Oh, you little pay to win. Okay, you... Oh, hey, look. He's trying to swap it out. He trying to run the one with the sniper? Buddy, I'll take that deal. Running the ones with the sniper is my kind of woo. Almost got me there, didn't you? But you're a little too slow. A little too slow. Okay, well, if he's not gonna use the, Whoa, rocket launcher. Jeez. Alright, trying to swap. I need to, okay. I was trying to use the... If he's gonna do that, then I'm just gonna use the sniper and take him out that way. Okay, well, I'm bad. That's why. Ha! Oh, you're using a knife now? Okay. This guy's all over the place. One time using the sniper, now he's using the knife. Like, pick one, man. Pick one. And now on the ground, because I'm bad at this game. I finally... Hiya. Okay, he fell. Okay, well. What? Why am I so bad at this game? Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, King Triscuit. You wanna... I mean, we should win this pretty easily. I just need to learn to not rely on my energy pistols and actually be able to negotiate between the two. Okay. Well, it's okay because I can launch myself across the map. Why are you standing still like that? Okay. Jump. Okay, well, I took him down, so... Come on, you can do this. Okay. Okay, well, okay. That wasn't your bad, really. It was kind of my bad. Not really your bad. These guys definitely are playing together because just the loadout they got is throwing me for a loop. Why did I go for that dash? It's okay, it's okay. These guys aren't even that good. We got this. I'm gonna go up here this time and just try to take them out. There goes one. Thank you. Jeez. Alright. Well, at least we got one win. So, if we continue what we just did, we chillin'. Good. I did 50 damage to one of them. I don't know if I'm on fire or not. I don't think I was on fire. I know I'm squashed now. Come on, man. You got this. Oh, okay. So your loadout is, not trash. Actually, no. It's a good loadout. I would say it's a quality loadout. Just why do you have the knives? Like, out of all of the secondaries, the knives have got to be the worst secondaries. I don't know. If someone's watching this and they're like, the knives are the best secondaries, and you're watching this, I don't know how you handle this things. Because when I play free-for-all and we're leveling up our guns, And yeah, I get smoked when I use those slings. I don't know what it is. I just can't seem to use them, at least effectively. Okay, it's okay. You can beat this guy. Just need to do any type of damage, man. Any type of damage. Oh, you're gonna die because you ran into a flare. Okay. Well, I'm freaking the fuck out. That'll be. Oh, okay. I'm starting to wonder if my teammate knows the mechanics of this game, or if he just doesn't know about the flares. Because I understand if you just don't know about the flares, because the flares, a lot of people don't know. At least apparently, a lot of people don't know that the flares actually do damage to you when you get hit by them. Well, I do fire damage. A lot of people don't know that. At least the newbies don't really know that. Oh man, where is this guy at? Whoa. What? Whoa, just me. Uh, okay. I don't really know what this guy's plan is here. Pretty sure I have more health, but if I don't, I'll be quite surprised. Yeah, see, I even took him out with the energy pistols before he even got him. You know? Okay, one's down. Gotta make sure I'm looking at my teammate's health bar. Hey, thanks, teammate. Good for you, man. I'm glad he actually did something. It'd be quite upsetting if this entire time I did everything. You know? Okay. Well, I just watched my teammate go up in flames. Okay, well, I'm glad that we won that one at least, because, well, then we can chill like villains. 2v2s are fun. 130 minutes? Oh, that's a high enough. Okay, it's okay. We just destroyed the energy pistols. What? What? Oh, you got a sniper too. Good for you. I don't like this. It's a sniper fight. At least I'm decent with the sniper. Whoa. I would like to mention how good I am with the crossbow, though. Because the crossbow is awesome. I'm gonna swap to it real quick. And if we lose, I'll swap back to the sniper. But, like, watch this. Well, first, you're like as fast as the Flash. I'm around the corner here. Pump out some headshots. Okay. Well, I did a headshot on one of them. If you do pretty much anything to him, he's gonna get croaked. Hey, okay, so my teammate clutched up there. But oh man, I'm gonna do a 1v1 after this, and I'll show you how good I am with the crossbow. Oh wow, I lagged so bad there. Call that some lagged, Jack. Right? Oh. What just happened there? Does anybody know? Okay. Okay, well, apparently these guys are much better than I previously expected. So, yeah, we're gonna need to lock in. One of them has been taken out. The other one's been taken out. Okay, see, that was locking in right there. We just cooked. Me and this guy. The Grinch, it looks like. Simon Saltman. He just straight up looks like the Grinch. Okay, I just shot myself in the face by shooting. Oh, sorry. By shooting at the. Oh, hey, look. By shooting at the katana. Whoa. Hey, my boy. I mean, my friend. Okay, well, I took down one of them. And then the other one jumped up and mauled me. Dude, I suggest you move. Are you playing on mobile? You are playing on mobile. Okay. Oh, it's okay. That is A-okay. We got this still, right, man? Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna speed up there. Go, never mind. I'm just bad. Didn't hear the. Hey, Grinch, the goat, my guy. Yes, that's what we need to see from you. You I'm so happy I got these energy pistols. I think I'm just gonna go. Which way? This? No, guess I'll keep these on. Okay. We're gonna go 1v1, and I want to show you how good I am with the crossbow. I'll show you right now. Let's show you on this person. 15 win streak. I'm sorry I have to take it from you. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Crossbow. Okay. Why do I always do that? Well, I guess this is one perk of the crossbow. If you place the, let's say you come over here and place a jump pad like right there, and then you slide into it. You can do that. I was not expecting him to be there, by the way. So, and it sends you flying across the map, which is a nice quality perk of it. So that's nice. Like this. Go flying. You a light? Do you have a riot shield right now? Whoa! Holy buttery. Oh, you got that permafrost? Oh. I've never been a huge fan of permafrost users. I mean, not the actual person, just like the weapon. It's very annoying. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay! No, it's not okay. Okay. It's okay. Okay. So we launch over to a headshot get mode. It's okay. We do this. Oh, him. That's quality, right? That's good enough, right? Okay. He's got 3 shots of that. 3 shots of the stuff that can fleece me. He just used one on me and it actually hit. And there's another one that actually was hit. Okay. Dude! Ugh, the permafrost is so annoying. Okay. I need to find him first. You know? Takes 4 body shots, 2 headshots to take someone out. Whew. See? I'm decent, alright? It's just those pay-to-win people that really mess me up. Look right there. Oh, bro. This permafrost thing, they need to nerf it. Like, bro, why can you freeze somebody 3 times? It's just unfair. Oh, and you outdanced on me? Man, why didn't you do that earlier? I would've smoked. Aren't you from like an anime? I recognize that face. I don't know. No idea who you're from. Where you're from. I'm gonna... Cause I recognize the what's it called? Avatar? Avatar. Pretty sure it's from some type of anime. Well, he's dead. So, whatever anime power he has, not until 50 cal, so. Comment down below who this guy is. Guys are weird watch anime. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. If you Preston Plays fans and watch anime. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay. Calm down. I'm kidding. Alright. I'm sure watching anime is just as cool as watching SpongeBob. Seriously, I love SpongeBob. It's easily the GOAT. Easily the best of all time. I don't care. You can include animes, you can include whatever you want, really. It's just not nearly as good as SpongeBob. Like, I don't really care who you're thinking of, but it's just not as good. You know? Oh! Dude, it's when they swap up to the knives, and then I'm like, oh gosh. It's like, when they swap to the knives, I have no idea they do it. So it's just like a annoying nuisance. You know? I'm glad this guy doesn't have the permafrost, though. Oh, man! Okay. GG's. What was I talking about? Oh, yeah. How SpongeBob is better than all other cartoons, TV shows, animes, ever. And that's just kind of it. Like, I don't really care. I mean, if you want to say, okay, not including cartoons because clearly SpongeBob is your favorite. What's your favorite show? Y50 is a really good show. If you're under like 13 or whatever, don't watch it. It's pretty, it's pretty adult, kind of. I mean, it's not really adult, but it's kind of adult. You know? You know? It's like kind of like that. It's kind of in that middle area. So I've seen like little kids watch it, but I've also seen like adults watch it who would be very not happy if your kid watched it. I'm just saying, like, it's in that middle area. But I think it's a pretty quality show overall. What am I talking about? Does anybody know anymore? Am I just blabbing on about stuff that no one actually cares about or ever watch? Anyways, is there a lore to Rivals? Or is it just kind of like not at all? Like no lore? Like there's no lore to Rivals, or oh, we all trapped in this fighting domain in the world, you know? I've actually never watched anime now I think about it. Oh. Can't really dog on it that much. I know it's taking over my Pokemon Isle. Because I collect Pokemon cards. I'm a pretty big fan of the genre. Well, depends. I like the cards, not the shows. You know? So. Okay, we just traded. We just traded. Got him. Last guy do over 70 damage, or over 50 damage with either the energy pistols. Oh. You left. Whew. Close, right? What was I talking about? Yeah, I've never watched anime. Like, nothing really. Never really watched any anime at all. Unless you consider Pokemon an anime, but I know that offends a lot of people, like, Pokemon's not anime, you know, so I'm just gonna not include it as an anime because then I would have watched, whatever, but, you know, unless you consider that an anime, but I just don't watch anime. I just don't consider it a show that I can watch, or that I can watch. I just don't consider, it's something I want to watch, ever. Also, why am I not getting anything good for these energy pistols? Like, I haven't gotten a single skin. Okay, it's time to get some skins, ladies and gentlemen. See that? 2,000? Time to get some skins. For my energy pistols, baby. Yeah, boy. Alright, yeah, no one cares. Spend $1 on those. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go over here for it, because, like, everybody's over there. You ready? 71 at a time. Woo! Look at this! Oh, energy pistol skin. And we walk out all cool. Yeah, glowing like Giga Chad. Yeah. Yes. Dude. This is some craziness. I'm trying to make all my weapons gingerbread skins, so like anything that has a gingerbread skin, there's no other skin for it, unless I really fall in love with it. I'm not gonna use it. Like, unless someone actually comments on one of my videos and says, hey, use that. I don't know. You like this skin or that skin? We'll rock with this skin for now because it makes it nice. It looks like it makes it. Oh, yes! Keeping that on. Yo! Yo, look! My rocket launcher is fully gingerbreaded out. That's exactly what I wanted. And I finally have a kill animation for my crossbow. I mean, oofing animation for my crossbow. And it's gingerbread. Soon to be gingerbreadified. RGB's really sick. That's like my second favorite skin ever. Definitely my second favorite skin ever. I just don't think it's as cool as gingerbread. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna need to favorite that. And then walk with that. Okay, and we come down here. We got this guy. And then this pistol's already gingerbreaded out. Then we got my old weapon, my old main side weapon, the Glock. The revolver. Really good. If you don't have the time to grind for energy pistols, I recommend the Glock. I'm gonna keep calling it the Glock. What am I saying? The revolver all the way. Personally, I think it's easily the best side weapon that's not pay to win, which I did not get this thing through pay to win. Oh, look. I got it through. Ooh, yes, 2 more skins. Ah! Dude! Dude, look at it! Look at it! It's so beautiful. Look at it. It's perfect. Yes. Now I just need. Oh man. Okay, I didn't get to take out anyway. Ooh, frozen? Or now we going frozen. Dude, it's close to. Oh, still got 20 more. I. Oh, still got 2. Okay. So, the chainsaw. I actually have been using the chainsaw recently. It's actually pretty fun. It's all cookie breaded out. Just how I like it. This is. Whoa, hold up. Yeah. Almost gingerbreaded out. Just still need the takeout animation. That's pretty cool. I don't know. Which one do we like better? This or this? I'm gonna leave it on this. Okay, and then I have the slime out in whatever animation for that. And this thing, which I'm pretty sure is also gingerbreaded out. Yeah, also gingerbreaded out. This thing is not changing because it's all gingerbreaded out, my freeze gate, and then this one is not changing because it's all gingerbreaded out besides that. Ugh, that's painful. But this is also all gingerbreaded out. Oh, snap. Never mind. That's still a thing. Alright, well there we go. Now it's fully gingerbreaded out. And that's how I can do that. Then I'll come over here and change it, but like, I don't really care. And then come over here. Beautiful. Beautiful! Yes! We got some skins for our energy pistols. We'll probably need to do one more round. Oh, yeah. Look at my win rate. 51% chance. That's the kind of margin you bet on. But after this, we're probably gonna have to end this video. Because, you know, we chilling. The plan is to get good with energy pistols. Dude, imagine if I had... Ooh, look at them. They're so clean. Alright, we're gonna try to check that dude out with energy pistols. It'd be really cool if we both had energy pistols. Okay. Yeah, that's my old secondary, what he just took me out with, and look how much damage I did to him. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm just bad. Okay. Oh man, look how much damage I did to him. That was the complete opposite of how much damage I did to him last time. Alright, well, if this is gonna be our last fight, we gotta win it. You know? So. Let's rock and roll with this setup, and then... Whew. Dude, if that guy would have taken a shot, I wouldn't be here. Hey, get wrecked. You know? Hold up, look, sniper. And my scythe have the same skin. Whoa. Some people say that being on a mobile device limits me. And maybe it does. But I like my mobile device. It's very, like, if I was using a controller and I wanted to play some Rivals, I would have to hook up my controller and I couldn't just go around and do Rival anywhere, you know? And yes, I'm a mobile player. Yeah, and still out here cooking PC players and stuff, you know? Like, this guy's a mobile player, so. Also, I have auto shoot, so. Yeah, that helps a lot. I'm gonna try to take him out with this. Ready? This video is supposed to be about energy pistols. They're gonna stay about energy pistols. Okay, I'm gonna try to take you out with the sniper now. Okay, hopefully I didn't just throw this game. I did not. Yes, so look about the energy pistols. Yeah, we shot him with the energy pistols. Anyways, these are my energy pistols now. Sweet. Also, look at these guns. Alright, so we got that gun. And I think those are kind of ugly, not gonna lie. These are pretty cool looking. I really like these. I mean, okay. Okay. I can barely even see them. Anyways, it's your boy King Triscuit. Nooses!